swear to you guys, I came downstairs and this rocking chair was rocking by itself. Still on purpose, I didn't have my phone on. But as soon as I came downstairs, it's like somebody came off of it, scared. You know what I mean? And they themselves a rocking chair. So I go back and forth really quick. It was going like that. When I got to the last step, what is that? Just like somebody got off of it. Like I scared them off.
Because of the 15-hour time difference, April is on a late-night Zoom meeting with some of her new trainees when one of their webcams captures something very strange.
Namasit naman yung bang
The sharp snap of a branch breaking through the silence sends a shiver down Dan's spine. Since returning to his tent, the night has been eerily calm. No wind, no rustling.
Right in front of Jordan. Now, Jordan doesn't even notice, but his live Twitch viewers do. And one of them sends Jordan